Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the Pioneer air conditioner remote control. This remote is also compatible with some models of brands like Klimaire, Senville, ComfortStar, Ductless, Airton, Konya, Titan, Durastar, Wellclima and Polocool. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. The mode button is used to change the air conditioner's modes. Each time you press this button, the air conditioner switches to the next mode. You can set 5 modes with the mode button: cooling, drying, fan, heating, and auto. The fan button is used to change the air conditioner's fan speed. The fan has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. Most users use the air conditioner for cooling, and for this reason we are starting with the explanation of this mode. We press the mode button, and when the cursor appears in front of the word cool on the screen, the air conditioner has switched to cooling mode. In this mode, we recommend setting the temperature to 22 to 24 degrees Celsius or 72 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. When you want to save electricity, you can choose a temperature of 24 degrees Celsius or higher. Temperatures below 22 degrees Celsius, 72 degrees Fahrenheit, are not recommended as they can cause a common cold. To switch to the next mode, we press the mode button and see that the cursor stops in front of the word dry on the screen. This is the drying mode. It is used to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button one more and the cursor stops in front of the word fan. In this mode, the air conditioner works like a simple fan. We press the mode button one more and the cursor stops in front of the word heat. This is the heating mode. In heating mode, we set the temperature to 26 or higher temperature or 79 Fahrenheit. In heating mode, it is recommended to set the fan speed to auto fan speed mode, because in this case, the fan speed will regulate it with the help of the microprocessor. The air conditioner will reach the nominal mode faster, and the frosting of the evaporator will only occur at temperatures close to 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. To switch to this mode, the fan button is pressed several times, and when the cursor stops in front of the word auto, the air conditioner has switched to auto fan speed mode. In heating mode, the air conditioner needs to run for up to 20 to 40 minutes to operate at nominal power. Let's not forget that the heat will start coming out of the air conditioner within 5 and 10 minutes. We press the mode button one more and switch to auto mode. In auto mode, the air conditioner tries to keep the temperature around 24 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit. If the air temperature in the room is below this indicator, the air conditioner will work in heating mode. If it is higher, it will work in cooling mode. We press the mode button one more and return to cooling mode. Now I will explain how to use the other buttons. The sleep button is used to prevent colds that may occur due to the air conditioner while sleeping. So, how does this happen? Suppose we set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius or 72 degrees Fahrenheit in cooling mode and press the sleep button before going to bed. After the air conditioner runs for about 2 hours, the temperature will be automatically raised by 1 degree or 2 degrees Fahrenheit. After a few hours, it will be raised by 1 degree again. To exit this mode, press the same button. The swing button is used to move the air conditioner's levers up and down continuously or to stop them in any direction. The air conditioner has two more modes called timer on and timer off. Timer on is designed to turn on the air conditioner in standby mode after a certain time. For example, if we want the air conditioner to turn on after 10 hours, we press the timer on button, set to 10 hours with the help of the temperature button and press the timer button to confirm. We switch off the air conditioner, we press the timer button and we press one more. We press timer to confirm. The air conditioner will start automatically after 10 hours. To exit the timer mode, you need to press the timer button one more. Or when the air conditioner is working, if you want the air conditioner to turn off after 6 hours while it is running, we press the timer button, set it to 6 hours and press the timer button to confirm. The air conditioner will turn off after running for 6 hours. To exit this mode, it is enough to press the timer button. Thank you for watching us until the end.